with me. Welcome to Bombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limpo Mwale. Bombela Stadium is where, man, for the Betway Premiership clash between TS Galaxy and Richards Bay. A game as of two just concluded with a scoreline of 1-0 in favor of the Natal Rich Boys, walking away back with maximum points and going back to KZN. And now I'm with the fans, President. Shumeli Mnandi, Preston, President number 1, Mr. Cupcake himself. Yeah, honorable. Yeah, President, may I please take off my hat as a symbol of respect
You can do the honor.
for you and your cabinet, President. President, greetings, President. President, the cabinet has grown, President. Yeah. Good to know Hawks la. Basakhona bonke. Lihlobile le cabinet leli. Akusididli le cabinet leli. Abasididli le cabinet leli. Lihlobile le cabinet leli, President. President, please introduce the cabinet to us, President. Yeah, introduce the cabinet lakho, President.
You know what, Mr. Limpo?
President.
Mr. Limpo, me, I'm the president. I don't want corruption.
Yes, President.
I want my things to go straight. On my right here, the Atta.
Yes.
Mr. Atta is a premier. He's my premier here.
Yes.
Premier of Mpumalanga.
Greetings. Yes.
You can clap hands for the premier.
Yes.
Then going to you are familiar with this face, Mr. Makakula. Mr. Makakula, he's the deputy minister. Yes, you can go backward, Mr. Makakula.
Yes.
Come forward. Come forward. This is Minister's Toll. Even though sometimes it's Negula Stabana,
Yeah, man.
but he's still a minister. Yes, Minister's Toll. Apology accepted. Yes. Coming again, it's Mamandi. Mamandi, she's my secretary. Yeah, secretary in the presidency.
Sure.
It's Mamandi.
Yes, President.
Yes. the last one.
President.
She's my PA. Yes, Miss K.
Yeah, President.
Miss K.
Sure.
Every meeting, she knows everything.
Sure, President.
She knows every movement that I take.
Yes, President.
Yes, my brother.
President, man.
Amen.
President, did you know that you are also going to lose again today, President, if I may ask?
Mr. Limpo,
Come on up.
there's this coach, he once said, football can kill you a real death. I don't want to say his name.
Yeah.
I don't want to say his name. He once said football can kill you a real death.
Yeah.
This is a real death that we are experiencing in TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Especially when it come to a Betway Premiership.
Sure, dude.
Asadlali kahle Betway Premiership. I don't know what is wrong with us. Maybe sifocus kakhulu ku Nedbank.
Yeah.
Sakhohlwa i Betway Premiership. But I think we will bounce back.
Yeah.
We mustn't lose hope because now Richards Bay, the team that's shy. Say it's a position here to number 12. Number 13 is a position here. And it is not good.
It's not looking good.
But I think when we come to Magezi, Magezi let us kupula foot.
Sure,
Because in
President.
Magezi, I don't see Magezi winning against us.
Yeah.
Because now I'm sure I'm not even sure how many games we lost in a row, especially in the Betway Premiership. And akusiphathi kahle sima fans though. But our guys, funa baphula up masocks wabo. Because as fans, we come in numbers in stadium
Yes, President.
in support of them. They must show us something. They must entertain us.
Yes, President.
Singafiki lapha nge-energy siphinde sihambe sesishekise
Ah,
No, Imbombela Stadium, you remember ukuthi Imbombela Stadium, it was our slaughterhouse. Now it's no longer our slaughterhouse. I don't know what is wrong. They are slaughtering us. They are slaughtering us in our slaughterhouse. They are slaughtering us.
Yes, President.
Something must happen here.
President.
Something must happen. When it comes to defense yet,
Yeah.
we are lacking in defense.
Yeah.
Zulu, yes, he's a player, but he needs a mentor. Someone who will mentor him. We are defender party. Sabanyana, he needs a mentor. Then nalapha phambili ma strikers, we need a striker there. Since kwahamba Ndamane and who's this
Puso
one?
Ditsejan.
Puso Ditsejan. Phela sagcina lapho kuwena, if I can tell you a story. Sagcina lapho kuwena ku Betway.
Mina ngithi angifuni ukuyikhuluma leyo na
Sengikhulumile,
mina ngihlonipha wena.
Mina ngifihli lutho mina. Angifihli ukufihla. Angifihli lutho.
President of transparency. Yeah.
Mina I'm straight, angifihli lutho since kwahamba Ndamane kwahamba na Ditsejan. Mahlambi lapha so yedwa lapha phambili kuthi lo msaplaya ngemabhola kanti last lesikani kunapuso bekubani combination lapha ngiyakhumbula ukuthi last time bezisijava ingoma sithi upuso ngapha
Mahlambi ngapha.
nika le Galaxy 3 points yayo bekunjalo nyaro iphelile le ngoma
Hayi man.
yes
Siyashoda press.
but I think i-management itobona lapha ukuthi where we are lacking then batokhona ukuthi ba boost lapha lesihluleka khona.
Yes press.
Yes.
Press iqembu nyalo asithi sisuke kulete tase groundini siye ema-officeini press ngicela kuthola sponsor lesinywane lesatiko ukuthi bekuyinto lenhlolo ikhalelo licembu nebalandzeli bebahlolo basho ukuthi hayi iTS Galaxy ayithole sponsor mhlambe kungehla lokuthengiswa kwema-player esizadi ukuthi ilicembu lidependa kakhulu ukuthengiswa kwema-player to also finance the project yabo lena nduna yami president i-Avron Shalane ingenile lana lesiyatiko lebrand lebese isathi nesikhathi leside la eSouth Africa president sponsorship partner neTS Galaxy nina balandzeli beTS Galaxy nijabula kanani
Coming to our new sponsor it's a good thing lapha kuyasijabulisa ukuthi nathi sesitole sponsor it was long overdue.
Yes press.
Because when you can go back iTS Galaxy kuze ifike la itwa yasuka ku Highlands Park Highlands Park bene sponsor before mayifika ithathwa iTS Galaxy then sponsor sabe se withdraw and I don't know why ukuthi withdraw but nyalo sesijabule ukuthi sesine sponsor iAvron seyikhona la se sponsorisha maybe the sales of our prominent players it will go down because then we produce players and we release the players. Mina bengajabula ukuthi if ever we are selling players and we are getting players from the development you can't sell and get nothing but now lokho sesine sponsor I think tinto setohamba kahle. Yes siyabonga ku Avron Shalane. Yes siyabonga lapho ngicabanga ukuthi sitophathana kahle sibe right bathi isithupha ogwayini sitoba lapho nje sitophathana kahle
Nukelela kamnandi.
Sesinukelela kahle ma cosmetic lapha
Sitawuphumula kunukelele manje president.
Nyalo sesinukelela boma bathi nini sine tinto tenzekufutha asonzela phe ungitshele ngosonzela come phe
Tabashia.
Okay what is Tabashia by the way it's perfume
Perfume ne roll on ne spray ne body spray.
Thank you sasiyonukelela kahle which means masingene groundini labadlali bato lesimeli sethu lesi right. Thank you to our sponsor. We really appreciate the sponsor and we will make sure that we don't disappoint our sponsor. We will start to win our games. Thank you
President ileague seyitaphela kusele 5 ma game president ukuthi igocode ileague Betway Premiership campaign yakho igame lelandzelako ngiyadi ukuthi unemagesi lana nduna yami time waste ke leyo ke master of surviving relegation ke leyo Elvis Chipasese utobunayi la nduna yami uma bengingakubuda licembu uyalibona liphuma lapha emsileni la lihleli khona ulibona liphelela kunamba abantu ke lock standing njengoba esathi ukuthi TS Galaxy uma ingahlali ngangeni top 8 kutabe kungasinvo lehle ngoba la season kube licembu lelingena top 8
mathematically so iTS Galaxy if ingawina o5 lama games awulasele siyakulo ku top 8 so it lo kulama boys wethu kuma players wethu ukuthi ayifuna ngana ni top 8 but I know ayifuna top 8
cool
ukuthi team lengayifuna top 8
ayifuna
siyayifuna top 8 ma players ethu akachange i-mentality yawo i-mindset yawo ukuthi adlale kahle kuze sibambe top 8 iTS akusiyi team etohlala ku 13 nyaro seyi 13 I don't know why kusifike njani 13 bese number 12 nasisi 13 ngikwatile nyalo ngikwatile vele shakade ngifangene njani but kuze kuphama sugar doctor umtoze angifonele doctor ngova se California si doctor hayi cool down Mr President but okay I think meaning ngifuna ukuthi siphelele top 8
sure president
ngiyinde ngifuna konyana ngicabanga ukuthi ma players even na coach ne management itosipusha ukuthi size sifike top 8 itokudila nawo lama players wethu ukuthi asipushe sike top 8
President ngembe ukuthi ngikwakele iquestion yekugcina le nginayo President. President, igame yamagesi lotobe unayo lana ngeti 26 April. Do you believe leyo game leyo itokunika i-direction ukuthi uma uhamba uya ile PLK uyodlalela i-Nedbank Cup final against i-Durban City? Labanye bathi Mandi City la ngabeva basho la nalesikhathi icala ukuguqisa isavulile. Bathi Mandi City ngisaka phinza kangalibona lijaji ukuthi labula womkhuhlwana ngoba belikhwehlela vele.
Yakhohlela kakhulu eja. Ha? Igame lo emagezi. Ngiyo letho sinika ilo mfutho ukuthi masiya le we are going to win le because ngeke bemnanzi ukuthi sisuke nelusi siya Nedbank funa sisuke vele into simaphapha setulu sisuke vele ku right konke
Sure.
imagezi sinika 2-0 sifuna i clean sheet.
Yes, President.
Even namhlo bone our goalkeeper besishila goalkeeper bekunalo goalkeeper but it was unfortunate ukuthi bamkorele but ngiyithembisa ilo iGalaxy ukuthi imagezi ukuthi ngiyibone lidlalwa ko 26
President.
masiye Polokwane siya ku Nedbank soyiphakamisa yethu Nedbank
Ngiyo Africa
our
abanathi
eyes are glued to this Nedbank Cup
bangcina 2019
basina 2019
ababutela laba
ababute bomakhelwane basigcina 2019 lesasha khona ipenalty
ngelimini lekugcina bathi pain landed safely there bathi ngo in Gauteng somewhere in Gauteng play
khona ngala kubo Soweto what khona le land yakhona ipain
yeah
but manyalo le Nedbank vele yethu iMandi City angiyithembisi Durban City Mandi City Durban City angiyithembisi
press
so isha 2-1 siniyona siyoyinika vele igoli leli 1 but kusha so ishaya iNedbank it's ours yeah injalo nje asichinje asidlala
press
asidlala asidlala
yeah President
Premier asidlala
ya campaign la President
asidlala
President
amen
ngicela ungivumele ngibuyisele isigqoko sami nela inhloko President nelicabinet lakho ngicela ngivumele ngisibuyisele isigqoko
amen amen
President fence President Shumeli Mnandi fence number 1 Shumeli Mnandi press 2C Honorable President
Amen.
His Excellency thank you very much President Ivale ndoda good night hayi man ekhona nabantu